Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to keep your glasses clean. Glasses can get really dirty, especially if you wear them all day, or if you live in a dusty area, or if you live near the beach. These methods are great for any type of glasses. So let's jump right in. There are 3 main things that you'll need to keep your glasses clean. First, you'll need a microfiber cloth. You do want to use just any type of cloth on your glasses, because it can cause scratches. A microfiber cloth is soft and gentle on your lenses. You can buy a microfiber cloth specifically designed for glasses. They usually come in a pack of 2, and they come with a little case. Or you can just use a microfiber cloth that you already have lying around the house. Just make sure it's clean, and there's no lint or anything on it that can cause scratches on your glasses. The next thing that you're going to need is some sort of cleaning solution. Now this can be homemade or store-bought. So let me show you how to make a homemade glass cleaner. In a small bowl, mix together 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 cup of water. You can add more or less baking soda depending upon how dirty your glasses are. If they're really dirty, then add a little more baking soda. And then once it's all mixed together, you're going to pour that into a spray bottle. You can use any spray bottle. I actually got this one from the Dollar Tree. And then you're going to put the microfiber cloth in there and get it nice and wet. If you notice that the water is not getting up all of the dirt and grime on your glasses, you can add a few drops of dish soap. Now this is optional. I would recommend doing this outside. I don't like doing this inside because the fumes from the dish soap can be pretty strong. So do this outside. Pour a few drops of dish soap in there and then mix it around. Again, you can use more or less dish soap depending upon how dirty your glasses are. And then spray it on your microfiber cloth and wipe down your glasses. Be sure to get both sides and the nose pads too. The nose pads get really dirty. And they usually plastic, so they can get scratched up pretty easily. So be gentle on them. Once you've wiped them down, put them on and you'll notice that they're super clean and streak-free. And if they're not, then I have another trick for you at the end of this video. Now if you do want to go through all of that effort, or if you're in a rush, you can just buy a spray bottle, specifically made for glasses. They come in multiple different scents. This one is Orange Blossom. And it works really well. All you have to do is hold it about 2 to 3 inches away from your glasses and just spray it on. Then use a microfiber cloth to wipe down your glasses. Now if your glasses still have streaks after you've tried these methods, then you probably have a problem with your microfiber cloth. It could be that it's not clean, or it's full of lint, or it's old and worn out. So replace your microfiber cloth and you should be good to go. Alright, my friend, those are my tips on how to keep your glasses clean. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. And I'll see you next time.